Oh, my heart is leaving at you. Let your feet following your movement. I was at your feet, and so I live to the terminal life, just a smile. Maybe he knows.
And soul, I left for the terminal where I
Sa paglipas ng 50 taon sa buhay ni na Sir Teresito at Ambelia, tiyak na marami na silang pinagdaanan. Mga saya, tagumpay, at mga pagsubok sa kanilang katatagan.
had asked for the dance here within this terminal where I passed on a chance.
Kamusta ka daw? Kamusta ka? Nagagawin ko. Kakasal ka daw.
Kumusta rin ako?
Ikakasal ka daw, totoo ba yun?
Ha?
Ikakasal ka daw ulit. Mamaya? Yay! Excited ka?
Ha?
Excited ka?
Baka.
Yes. Kanino kayo kakasal?
Sa hikutan.
Let's go!
Paano ko napaibig si Dear?
Simple lang yan eh. Basta ginapang ko lang, ayos na.
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailan may, nasaan may, ikaw ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Walang duda na nakaugat talaga yan sa Diyos kasi umabot na kayo ng 50 taon at nariyan pa rin kayo handang mag-renew ng inyong commitment sa isa't isa. Kapag siya ang sentro, mas madaling magpatawad at mas madaling magpakumbaba.
You're sitting on the chair, wrapped inside a bedsheet, playing with your hair, watching people on the high street.
48, 49, 50, kiss.
For hours, if I had my will, time would just stand still. Wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph and live inside.
The cords that binds your hearts together, the only witness to your present dreams. Hiling naming lahat na mas marami pang taon ng kalusugan, kaligayahan, at pagmamahalan ang maghari sa inyo at sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay.
Kids are probably soon. Don't get me wrong, I'm ready. Well, I know what to do when we're no longer two. When us means more than me and you. Oh, if I wished myself a superpower, I would make this moment last for hours. If I had my will, time would just stand still. Wait for me until I find some magic film to take a photograph, live inside